Hello, welcome back to the Fashion Magazine. I hope you missed me, and I'm sure you did, don't you? So, let's be serious. Today we'll be talking about the second part of the vintage 90s street styles. We have made a video, I will link the video below so you can watch it, about the most classic 90s. And today, as we promised, we go back with the fashion street of the 90s and also for daily casual clothes. You can stay with us and maybe you'll be inspired, and trust me, we have picked amazing choices. Okay, I'm sure we all miss the 90s. God, that was like golden days, right? So this period, let's talk about how women have started to become more practical, and we have seen women going out doing jobs. So everyone went with very practical outfits, more very boyish, I would like to call it, in a very feminine way. So the first thing I would like to talk about is those clothes. If you want to find them, the best way is to go to thrift shop or for bazaars. There you can find the right choices, because the first thing I would like to talk about is the leather jackets. I have picked two types of jacket. The first one will be the leather biker jacket, 90s style, and as you know, this one should be worn most of the time large plus size, and you can find them in the thrift shop. They are most of the time made for men, but you can wear them, they are unisex to be more clear. And I know everyone is obsessed with those biker jackets. We have seen many models wearing those one. Kate Moss, Cindy Crawford, Naomi Campbell back in the days. And today, even the new generation of models try to omit the same style. I don't know if you could tell when you watch like street styles, you can see them wearing the same style. It's like we're living back to those days. So if you want to pick up something like that, the color, I wouldn't actually trick you with anything. The only thing you should know, you should buy something with a lot of like logos worn on it if you want. I'm gonna share with you a couple of pictures so you can see, and they can be worn with any style you want: high heels, jeans, normal biker panties, anything you would like. So these are number one. Let's move for number two. We have picked something very precise, the brown leather jackets. They are very known on the 90s because they changed the style of leather jacket. They made it more feminine, the cropped ones. So the cropped ones have came to change the game a little bit. So in these pictures, as you can tell, you can have the brown leather jacket cropped or like very sized thin on your waist, or otherwise you can go for the larger ones, and must be chosen from thrift shops or old or second hands. They can find them in a lot of websites. Why? Because those ones are known to look like they are ruined and damaged, and they give the vibe that this is like real leather jacket. So if you want to buy one, do not invest in the new ones, because those ones are expensive for nothing and they wouldn't give you the same vibe. All right, let's go for the part number two. We're going to talk about trousers and jeans. The first thing I would like to say, as I said before, that women has started to become bolder during that days. Women started to take care of themselves, started not to care, and we started to see women actually trying different things. We had the Beckham girl, and like how she was very bold in her clothes, Britney Spears. So you know that the leather pants has started to show up, and I think those ones very good for any woman with a nice hips, or any person who wants like to look a little bit bolder. You can wear them with the high heels, or we can wear them with sneakers. But what I like to call is very vulgar and very bad to see, very ugly, is the bad shape or the bad quality of leather. So avoid that. You don't want to have some sky, what they call the sky trousers. Those ones will look cheap with the time, and they will tie it on your body, and you will look like sausages after that. So what you have to pick up is like the flare leather trousers, that they're not so tight between the legs, so you can feel like comfortable and you can work in a very good. So avoid the sleeves ones, even if you're skinny, to believe it or not. So the ones that I would consider them very classy, of course, is the black. We can see Megan Fox wearing a large one here, or we can pick up the brown and reddish ones, like the crocodile type. They are very nice to see. If you want to become edgy, if you're going to watch football games this year, you're going to watch some kind of sportive games, it's very nice to take pictures on Instagram with this kind of style. So when it comes for the jeans, I would like to talk about these type of jeans. Everyone have been obsessed with the Spice Girls and the Britney Spears, and those jeans will be baggy or flare or large jeans, to make it more simple. So you want to pick up those jeans, but also you have to always as I said in a previous video, you need to follow your height. You don't want to pick up something that will look shorter or look like something that is cute. So try to avoid wearing those jeans if you don't like those types. You need to pick up something that goes with your height. Otherwise, the solution is to always have a high heel on your bag, as I do. If you look to my car, it's like a car shoe. So this is the first thing you have to take into consideration. I like those jeans because they are very ongoing with the styles of today, the trends. When you walk on the street, you see women wearing those ones to go to work. And especially in the summer, you want to look comfortable. You're going to take a bus, you're going to take a train, you'll be traveling, you're going to go for a meeting in the morning, and then you have to go to a dinner. So maybe you want to pick up those jeans and style them in different ways, and they will look nice. As you can tell in the pictures, some people do the belt, some people wear very fancy high heels, some people do the blazer. So try to pick up something that goes with your style and goes with your daily habit, because this is about the casual looks. So maybe you want to upgrade your casual looks. You don't want to look boring in the street. Let's talk about the boots, and I have a confession to make. I used to hate those ones, to be honest with you. But I think everyone will say, well, why would you talk about them? Because I love them today. You know, everyone changed. Never say no, right? And that's why I always come up from the idea that with the time you change your mind about a lot of things. So it's better not to say never again. So I really felt obsessed about this one. I don't know, is it the age, or is it like today we have seen a lot of fast fashion, so we want to go back to the old days. So those ones, actually, there will be different styles. They are under the knee, to be more precise, and they are like stiletto boots or chunky boots, and the sharp heels. I would say they are my preferred ones. There is the cube ones, as you can tell in the pictures, and those ones could be worn with a skirt, with a short, could be worn with a jean. I like those ones because they are in the between. So you can actually have ones, and I wear them with jeans, and I could wear them with skirt at the same time. So I can avoid buying a lot of ones, and every time everyone will see them and they will compliment me. So you don't have to spend money on like short boots or high heels and also buy long ones. So the knee levels are very compromising when it comes to your clothes, and the best way to style them, it could be with a dress, I would say, like longer dress. Maybe we're going now to the spring, you would like to wear something that is a little bit classy and feminine, so maybe you need to buy something. Those colors have been known since the 90s, actually, with the brown and the black ones. And I also think with boots, you cannot actually take risks, to be honest. Okay, let's start with the Mean Girl era. Have you ever watched that movie? Like, because now I'm gonna talk this one about the Clueless and the Mean Girl era. This is about the cardigans and what we call them. The Gwen Stefani is known by the style before, and I like those ones because you can wear them with jeans and tops and they look very sexy. You can open them if you want to look very nice. I wear them to go to parties. I open them, they look sexy with a nice bra. I put a lot of jewelries and a jean, and you're tight to go. So those ones are my favorite ones from the 90s. We have seen them with friends as well. We have seen them with different. And today I will show you a lot of models, and a lot of girls have been wearing those ones for the street styles. And I think you need to buy them. I always go to the thrift shop. I find a dozen of them. I get bored, you know. So try to pick up a clear color. Avoid the pink ones. Buy black, because black could be very sexy when you wear it open, and you will look very like Bob wife and very like that mysterious fatal woman. And also buy the green one. I like the green ones. They will look very nice in the morning for a brunch, and also they look very comfortable to wear. So if you want to close them, you want to open them, if you're drunk a little bit, it doesn't matter. So you can choose from those choices we have picked for you. Okay, for the last part, I would like to talk about the tops. You shouldn't listen to me. You should go watch Friends. Okay, I'll make it short for you if you don't want to watch Friends. Well, the shirts or the tops need to be printed. This is the 90s. They are, my favorite ones are the rock styles, and they have to be like a little bit sized. And also say, always, I try to encourage plus size women to wear more tight tops, because those ones will put in value your waist. I keep repeating that. So don't go with the large ones. Please avoid those ones. You will look like a donut in a bag. You don't want to do that. So the first thing you have to know about the 90s styles are known by the colors. So you want to pick up something like color it. And I always encourage this type of colors to buy, because they are very, very organic in the summer. They don't attract the sun. They wouldn't poison your body with the UV light. So pick up yellow, green, pink, whatever you want. White is my favorite. So, but try to pick up something with a printed written thing in red, in any color you want. As you can see from the pictures, those are here to stay forever, and I think they're very nice to go to the shop, to go drink a coffee, to go swimming, and then wear them on the bikini. They will look nice, especially if they are seen through. They will look very sexy. And also you can wear them for parties. But if you want to wear those styles for party and night events, try to wear ones without any written logos. Just take up the silky ones. They are very nice. The elastic ones, we have seen Skims making a lot. We have seen Zara making a lot of them with nothing. They are very simple, and I like those ones, to be honest with you, because the jewelries could change the game for you. This is everything for the 90s casual styles. I love that style because it's simple. No one is trying to be trendy. No one like to show off. They are very simple. They look classy. They attract, to be honest, because today we see a lot of bougie styles, bling bling. This is not nice, and I think we had enough of it. And since 2016, and I think those ones are really authentic. And if you're an authentic person, you would like to really wear something very authentic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, or I'll be crying tonight. And the second thing I would like to say, thank you for your support always. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great time. And if you're going through something, I hope everything will be solved with you. Enjoy your night, enjoy your health. Kisses, and I see you soon.